What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I want to talk very briefly about emotions. Everybody knows that from a trading standpoint, emotions are extremely crucial into number one, keeping your emotions in check, and number two, not becoming over emotional. The reason that so many people fail when it comes to trading is because they cannot keep their emotions in check. However, one of the biggest reasons that people succeed is because of their emotions. There's a reason why traders still exist. There's a reason why Goldman Sachs and all these big companies are investing in humans, investing in investment bankers, because there is one thing that computers cannot do, and that is read emotion. And the stock market is one massive emotional game. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you guys one quick tip that you guys can start to use today to kind of just become a little less emotional when it comes to trading. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for all the support. Let's get started. So obviously my charts probably look a little weird here. Number one, to those of you who have been a part of this channel for a long time, normally I have black set up for my thinkorswim, but I've been switching it more over to this white and light setup because I just feel like it's a lot easier to teach with, because you guys can see things a lot easier. Plus, I like the way that TradingView looks, but I like having my broker with TD and having it all seamlessly put together. So that's why I've kind of made it look like TD. But one major thing that you guys have probably noticed is that I don't have red and green candles. And that is the tip that we're going to talk about today. So it's kind of funny, but it's ironic that brokers and charting softwares make red and green candles. Number one is to briefly and quickly look at the candles and get an understanding of, okay, that candle was up today, that candle was down today. Because, you know, if you haven't been trading for a long time, you might not quickly realize, like, okay, this candle opened up here and closed down here. This opened down here and closed up here, opened here, closed here. So that's a quick reason why they do that. Now, the issue with that is that sometimes it messes with your emotions and messes with your psychology, because if you're in a trade and you're just seeing nothing but red. This is extremely important, guys. If you're day traders too, even though I don't day trade as much as I used to, if you're a day trader, this is extremely important too, because you're watching each and every green candle, and every single red candle, you're thinking to yourself, okay, this isn't good, this isn't good, this isn't good. Okay, one green candle, maybe I'll hang on. Okay, followed by 4 red candles. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay, a couple green candles. So it's like the candles can mess with your psychology. And so something that I did, I don't really do it anymore because I have been trading for so long, but something that I used to do was just make all of my candles neutral. Depending upon what software you're using, you can just go up to style, and then you can come over here and you can hit settings. And for some reason, thinkorswim's not going to show you guys, I guess for like privacy reasons, but you can go from there, hit appearance, and then change your candles to whatever you want them to be. For me, I like to make them blue. And what this does, like I said, is allows you to focus more on the pattern and focus more on your support and your resistances than, you know, what the candles are looking like. So for instance, you know, let's just take a look here at the NASDAQ. There could have been a couple of times where, you know, we had this really good bull flag, which I called out in my private academy, but we had this really good bull flag that was forming here. And maybe, you know, if you saw a couple of these candles that were red, you might have thought, oh no, you know, a couple of red candles were under that 100-day SMA. I'm going to have to just sell out. I'm going to have to get out. This, you know, the NASDAQ would have completely bounced off that 100-day, moved its way back up, and then pushed all the way back up to near all-time highs, which we're looking at now. So what this allows you to do is actually, you know, sit back and instead of looking at the colors, truly focus on what the pattern is doing. Now, there's a lot more to trading than just patterns, and you guys know that. But from a trading standpoint, this has really helped me to not sell my positions too early, to really focus on, you know, what the pattern is doing and what the actual technicals are showing me, as opposed to just, you know, oh no, big red candle, how is this looking? Like if you look at even today on WTI, which is a position I have, and I am down pretty significant, about $442 multiple times. You can see here we have broken below this major support, but then quickly moved back up. And I know it sounds crazy that, oh, you know, many of you might think to yourself like, oh, you would have sold because you saw red. Guys, I mean, sounds nuts, but it does happen, right? When you're sitting here in the morning and you see a massive red candle forming, dumping almost 4.5% within just a couple hours, you're down. At the time I was down about $600. You might think to yourself, like, just, it sounds dumb, but just that big red candle alone might be like, I just need to get out. This is a bad idea. But when you're looking at all neutral blue colors, you would think to yourself, oh, well, it has bounced here multiple other times. We do have a 50-day SMA here, and it does help. I'm telling you guys, if you're having trouble by selling positions too early or just getting too emotional, try to do this. Thank you guys for all of the support. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you want to be a part of my private stock market academy, get access to every single trade I take live as soon as I take it, live stream with me and my team every single morning for the first hour of market open, get access to our private Discord and our 60-hour course library. Use the link down below. Use the code Academy90. Start for $10 your first month. Thank you guys for all of the support, and I'll see you next time. Peace.